Question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. After a month, cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Okay. For solving this equation, we will use these conditions. Now, let's see the solution. Let the cost of 1 kg of apples be x rupees and cost of 1 kg of grapes is y rupees. According to the numerical, we have condition 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes. We found the rate 160 rupees. So, the written in the form of 2 into x plus y equals to 160. Okay. Now, second condition, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. So, we can write 4x plus 2y is equals to 300. Okay. So, we got here two equations, equation number first and equation number second. Clear? Now, from the first equation, we can find the value of y. You can see here, y is equals to 160 minus 2x. Now, our first equation is y equals to 160 minus 2x. Clear? Now, we'll put random values in this equation. So, first we'll put x equals to 50, so we'll get y equals to 60. Again, when we'll replace here x equals to 60, then we'll get y equals to 40. And when we replace here x equals to 70, we'll get y equals to 20. So we'll get this table using first equation. Clear? Now we will draw the table for second equation. From the second equation, we can find the value of y equals to 300 minus 4x upon 2, or we can say 150 minus 2x. Okay, y equals to 150 minus 2x. Now replacing the values of x in this equation, x equals to 70, we'll get y equals to 10. Again, when we'll replace the value of x equals to 80, so we'll get y equals to minus 10. Again, when we'll replace x equals to 75, we'll get y equals to 0. So replacing the values in this equation, we'll get this table. Clear? Now we have coordinates from the equation number first, 50, 60. Next one is 60, 40, and the next one is 70, 20. Okay, these are the coordinates, and next coordinates from the table 2, or we can say from the equation number 2, that are 70, 10, 75, 0, and 80, minus 10. So these are the coordinates. Now we'll plot these coordinates on the graph paper. Okay, from these three coordinates we'll get first equation, that is denoted by this line, you can see, and from these coordinates we'll get second equation, that one is this one. Okay, now plot the coordinates on the graph paper. You will get these two lines, first line and second line. Clear? Now we will discuss a shortcut method. For the first equation, we have y equals to 160 minus 2x. So first we will replace x equals to 0. So we will get 1 0, 160. Okay, now we will replace y equals to 0. So we will get x equals to 160 upon 2, that means 80, 0. So these are the two coordinates for the first equation. Now second equation is y equals to 150 minus 2x. So for the second equation, when we will replace y equals to 0, then we will get x equals to 150 upon 2, that means 75, 0. Okay, so this one will be the first coordinate for the second equation, and second coordinates will be when we'll replace x equals to 0, then we'll get y equals to 150. Okay, so these are the two coordinates for the second equation. Now we'll plot it on the graph paper. This one is x axis and this one is y axis. Okay, now for the first equation, this one is the first coordinate 0, 160. That means let's assume that this one is 0, 160. Okay, next one is 80, 0. So 80 will be here. So this one is 80, 0. Now join these 2 points, we'll get first equation. This one is the first equation. Okay, now second equation, we have coordinates 75, 0. That means somewhere here. This point is 75, 0, and next one is 0, 150. So 0, 150 could be here. So we can represent it 0, 150. Now we will match these 2 points. So we will get second line. Okay, so this one is the second line. This one is the equation of second line. Okay, so using this trick, you can also draw the graph for these equations.